Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Wanted to jump on and make a new video for you guys this week. And I want to share with you this awesome new feature that GoHighLevel has just released. It is a review widget feature. Previously, inside of our landing pages and funnels, we've been able to implement a review widget. Now, GoHighLevel has given us the opportunity to customize this widget and make it our own. So without any more hesitation, let's go ahead and jump in and show you how it gets done. So inside of your main menu here on the left-hand side, you'll see your reputation tab. Just go ahead and click on that and it'll bring you to this overview page. This top menu bar gives us an overview. It shows us our requests that we've sent out. It shows us all of our reviews. And then it gives us this option here for widgets. We already created a test widget here, but I'm going to walk you through how you can do this for yourself. You're simply going to create new by tapping this button here, and you get to select the source of your reviews, whether that's Google or Facebook. For this demonstration, we're only going to use Google. Now, you get to also select the type of widget that you have. So we'll go ahead and walk through these. The list basically just gives you a list of all your reviews for your clients and people who are visiting your pages to take a look at. Then we have our grid format here that makes them perfectly into 8 different squares. And then my favorite here is the masonry format, kind of just breaks it up depending on the length of the review. And then you have your legacy, which is what we've always seen inside of GoHighLevel for our review widget. And we get to just list all of our reviews, and our potential website visitors get to see all of these. Since I really enjoy the masonry, we're going to go with that for this example. You get to also tell the widget how many reviews you want to show. For example, you could go with 20 reviews max. Now, you also get to select if you want your branding down here, your agency branding, with this powered by, in this case, it says powered by Lead Yeti. You can go ahead and just turn that off if you'd like, or you can turn it back on. We'll leave it on for this example. The next tab here is our content tab. So this is our widget title here. It says what our clients say about us. In this case, this example is for a chiropractor. So we're going to go ahead and say something along the lines of, our patients love us. And then in our description, check out what they have to say. And then we could even invite people to leave us a review as well. So I'd finish it off with, and feel free to share your honest review. And then inside of our header here, we also get to decide if we want to share our rating with people that are going to be looking at our widget on our website, on our landing page, wherever it is. We might embed this later on down the line here. So we can go ahead and just either completely remove our entire header, and all we would be left with is our heading and our description and our reviews. We'll leave it on and then show you that you can also remove your write a review button. You can review your total count, which was appearing here. And then obviously your rating, which is at 5.0 star review there. Now, the cool thing about this also is that you can take your appearance and you can select your theme here, light theme, which is currently what you're seeing on the screen, a dark theme, or you can come in here and customize it. In here, you can customize the font. And currently, GoHighLevel is giving us 6 different fonts to choose from. We'll leave it on Roboto for this example. And then your primary color, we're going to change this to red just so that it stands out and we can see what it's actually changing inside of the widget. Here you'll see that it changes your heading here. It changes your review rating, and then the load more button here. We'll change this back to white just to kind of go through them. Our widget secondary color, this is going to change our powered by down here in the right-hand corner. It's going to change our description, and the number of reviews that we have. So that secondary color changes those three things. We'll go back to white there. And then our background color, obviously pretty easy to understand, changes our background. Our review primary color is the text that's inside of our reviews here. We can change that color to any color that we'd like. Our secondary is going to be things such as the review, the person who's left the review, their name, and also the date and the number here before our star. So the review rating within the review. And then our star rating color, we can change those yellow stars to any color that we'd like. In this case, we're going to go with green. And then our border color. Currently, right now, you see a border around each review. We'll turn that to red for the example. And then inside of our settings here, we can still change and make some adjustments by removing the display date, the date that somebody has left the review. So if you are reactivating old Google My Business or Google Business Profile, and you have older reviews, don't want to necessarily share when that date was, but you want to share them because they are 5-star reviews, you can just go ahead and display date turned off. And you can even remove this icon for the reviewer and just leave it with their name. Obviously, the Google icon stays there because that's where that review is from. And you're done. You literally hit save, give your widget a name. In this case, we're going to go with test widget. And then you have a button here, that the option that gives you to make it live. By making it live, we're going to be able to use this inside of GoHighLevel's funnel builder and also their website builder. And I'll show you how to do that here in a second. So we'll go ahead and make it live, hit save. And before that, I want to come in here and I want to show you, let's edit this. If you are not going to be using this widget inside of GoHighLevel's platform in their funnel builder or their website builder, but instead you're going to be implementing it or embedding it into a WordPress website, Squarespace, whatever else you might be using, what you want to do is go into the settings here and you want to copy this code simply by just hitting this copy code button, saving it, and then you can take that code and embed it into whatever website builder you're currently using and still have the functionality that GoHighLevel gives us and be able to take that anywhere with you. So a very cool feature that they've given us there. But next, I want to show you how we can implement this inside of GoHighLevel's ecosystem. So let's go ahead and jump in and do that. So here we're inside of GoHighLevel's funnel builder, and let's just go ahead and build a very simple funnel just for the sake of building one here. So you would have your heading, you might even add an image on here, but the best part, and the part that we're discussing today, is you now have this reviews widget here that you could just drag, drop in here. And the widget that you created is now available for you to use inside of GoHighLevel's ecosystem. Now, if you want to use a certain widget that you've created, you want to make sure that it's live and that that's the one you will be using inside of the GoHighLevel ecosystem. So let's go ahead and preview this and just show you how this would look. And that's exactly how it will appear inside of your funnels or websites, wherever you might be embedding this exact review widget. So that's it, folks. That's how you would actually use the GoHighLevel review widget. I'm excited to hear from you guys on how you're going to be using this inside of your business, inside of your agency, what you will be creating with this. If you're going to be creating a different sector to your business, if you're going to be offering this exclusively to your clients, I would love to hear from you. Go ahead and drop a comment below and tell me how you're using this. We'll talk to you soon.